recently in security.
A new version of BlackBasta double extortion ransomware has emerged in an attempt to better evade antivirus and endpoint detection and response. Android equipment manufacturers have had their digital certificates compromised. Apple improves user security by announcing iMessage contact key verification, security keys for Apple ID, and advanced data protection for iCloud, and how attackers are taking advantage of TikTok's Invisible Challenge to steal sensitive information. Zscaler Threat Labs has provided a technical analysis of the upgraded version of BlackBasta Ransomware. The ransomware has been updated to utilize stack-based string obfuscation, replace the encryption algorithms with ecliptic curve cryptography in XChaCha20, utilize per-victim file extensions, change file icons, and update the ransomware note. For a full breakdown of the changes and examination of feature parity, read more on the technical analysis in the link below. Google recently announced that multiple platform certificates are actively being used to sign malware. A platform certificate is the application signing certificate used to sign the Android application with system permissions. Any other application signed with the same certificate can declare that it wants to run with the same user ID, giving it the same level of access to the Android operating system. Manufacturers have quickly responded by rotating the affected keys and shipping over-the-air device updates. Apple has recently announced major improvements to user security through iMessage contact key verification, security keys, and advanced data protection. iMessage contact key verification will provide users who face extraordinary digital threats, like journalists or human rights activists, to verify that they are messaging only the people they intend. Security keys for Apple ID give users the choice to make use of third-party hardware security keys like YubiKey to further enhance their Apple ID protection, and advanced data protection expands end-to-end encryption from 14 services to 23, including iCloud backup, notes, and photos. Last, an attacker has been targeting the Invisible Challenge trend on TikTok to steal sensitive information. The Invisible Challenge is a trend where users dance nude to a filter that obfuscates their body. The attacker started promoting a tool that they claimed could remove the filter to allow people to see fully uncensored videos. People were also socially engineered into starring the attacker's repository on GitHub, which made their malware trend. Instead of decensoring the videos, their software actually deploys WASP stealer malware, hiding inside of malicious Python packages, which can steal passwords, cookies, MetaMask wallets, Discord tokens, files, two-factor codes, and more.
Thank you for watching this episode of Recently in Security. Please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on the notification bell, and liking the video if you would like to see more content like this. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.